Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a power core. Yes, a power core, also known as a power strip, whatever you may want to call it. But as you all know, we all need one at home. Okay, so I'm going to review a couple of them because now they done upgraded, honey. It ain't just those little regular 3-prong ones. Now they got some more stuff on it now. So what I like about this one is that it's a traveling one. So you know, when you're going on vacation and you might be at an airport, you might have a layover or something like that, this is what this one's going to come in handy. Okay, so it comes like this. It's made from a company called Coofine, Coofine, and it's 20 bucks. Right now it's 10% off, so you can save you some money if you go ahead and get it now. It comes in white and black, and it looks like this. Okay, and I love it because you know how you might be traveling and you need to charge your phone, your laptop, your tablet, so you might got more than one thing you need to charge. And that's when this baby come in handy. Now look what it comes in. I like how they give you a little portable leather case to keep it in. Okay, so I got black, but like I said, you can get it in white as well. So it comes with one C. As you know, a lot of phones come with a C charge, not just USB cords now. So you got your 1C, 2 USB, and then you got your 2 3-prong ones, just in case if you need to plug up your laptop or something like that. It could be a video game, or if you're traveling with the kids, everybody need to plug up different stuff. This is great. It's super light. It's 6 feet long, so you still not a lot of cord, but enough cord if you, in case you won't be right by the plug itself. And it's just good, like, especially because it's like it has multiple, like, all right, so you notice that this has, it's like an international power cord, so different type of cords can fit in there. And that's another thing that I love about it, that no matter where you go, say if you go out the country, this will still work for you. Okay, and not bad for 19.99. And like I said, you get that extra 10% off. The company that makes this is called Coofine, Coofine. It is 110 to 240 volt. That's the power cord it comes in. And I tried it and I love it. And even if you don't want to use this one also can be used at home too. Like, say if it's, you don't need a big giant power cord, you just need a little one, and like where your desk or your computer, or maybe in the kitchen or something like that, it's a great little spot, or in a little room, or in a bathroom or something like that. It's a good spot too. It's not a lot, and it's very light. I'm surprised how light this is, actually. Like, it's really, really, really light, guys. So it's not going to add a lot of pounds to your luggage, which is good. Okay. So anyway, guys, go on Amazon and order your your little power cord strip, and get it before the sale is out. Like I said, it has 2 USB port, 1 USB-C port, and 2 of your regular 3 prongs. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, let me know what y'all think. And if you have anything you have to ask me about the product, if I know it, I definitely will answer it. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all, and I appreciate y'all staying with me. Bye.